So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. I would be her. If you are new here, I will say welcome, hello. And if you are returning, thank you guys so much for coming back. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have a mystery box. If you want to get all the details on what this mystery box is about, where I got it from, and if it's any good, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, so like I said, we do have a mystery box. Your girl here, her name is Stephanie. That would be me. I am definitely her. Yeah, this is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty related. Unboxings, try-ons. Sometimes I even pop a tutorial up, you know, sounding like I know what I'm doing. Just kidding. But I'm not a makeup artist, so I never claimed to be. I am a girl who loves to play with makeup. It makes me happy. I just keep on trying until I get it to look right, you know. Not always does my look come out like I imagined it, but that's okay. We roll with it. Not always do I pronounce ingredients correctly, but we roll with it. It is Real Life Beauty, which I was thinking about changing the name, guys, to Real Life Beauty. What do you think? I don't know. Let me know now in the comment section below. What do you think about that? If I were to change the name to Real Life Beauty with Steph or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep my name. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Yes, I take you shopping sometimes. You know, we do a lot. And it's just all different stuff. I even got a freebie series that I completely forgot about. Guys, I got 6 items on their way. That's not counting the like 15 that I've gotten already. That I totally forgot to do a video on. So yeah, we're going to have one of them real soon. And it's going to be very big. And I don't know how I'm going to be like lifting this stuff up to show you what I got. I might have to just throw up pictures because, yeah. If you want to be part of something oh so great, then please hit that button down below and become part of the family. I would love to have you. I really would. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. That always helps the channel, you know, to algorithm and all. And the bell is very important for every reason everyone else says it. So we do have a mystery box. Here it is. It says Ulta. That is not what it came from. I was a little confused myself. I was like, Ulta? What? I was allowed to see one item out of the box, and it was $30 plus shipping. But the shipping wasn't even that much. It was only like a few dollars. I will throw that up here, how much I paid for it. Now, I did get it from Mercari. Just saying. Not Poshmark, because I haven't been that brave yet, but Mercari. And it's not from somebody I know either, so that's very weird. I do have a few sellers over there that, like, you know, have all the connections, but yeah, no, this isn't one of them. This is the first time I've ever worked with this woman, so we're gonna give her a go. We're gonna see what's in it. I don't know what's in it, except for one thing I do know. Other than that, I have no idea. So let's do this. All right, a lot of wrapping, a lot of bubble paper. Now I did open it, like slice it, but that's it. Okay, well, yeah, that's always good, like that. Okay, well, we have some bubble wrapped items. Oh, okay. Well, she did say high-end and drugstore. So, okay. $30. But she didn't give me a retail value, or did she? I have to look. I have to look. There may be a retail value there. I have to look. Okay. So, the first thing is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Eyeliner. It's one of these kind that come in the little gel pods. I used to have one of these, but it dried out. Okay, well, I'm not mad at that, because I would like to try that again. Like, you know, and graphic liner, not me. I was thinking about trying it, but that's kind of crazy, right? Anyway, there you have that. I was on top. Now let's see what's here. We have some stuff that's just kind of like in bubble wrap. I don't know. Okay, this fell out. What is this? Okay, so this is IBY. I didn't tell her I was a YouTuber. I just, you know, asked her as much as I could because she's a mystery box. It kind of like shut me down. I couldn't ask any more questions. All right, so let's see. But I did get it anyway. Radiant Glow Highlighter. Yeah, so it's a highlighter. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Doesn't come in a box, though. I don't understand. No box. No box. No box. Neither is this. Okay, so there's a couple things without any box. This one here, I don't know, $30? Well, it's not used. You can see there's no swatching on there. I don't know about that color. It's really pretty on the eyes. This is a pop up and go. That's Real Life Beauty right there. Out the door. Maybe some mascara. Definitely some lip gloss. Go out the door, and you can sparkle in the sun. All right, so there you have it. I don't know how much this is worth. If I can find the retail value of this, I'll put it up here. Okay, so we have that. That's 2 items. So, and she did say high end. All right, so this is the ABH, but again, no box, so I don't understand. I do know what this is. Oh, it's in Peach Fizz. I kind of like that. I don't know. That's not a shade for me, but it is a very pretty shade. Look at that. Okay, that is very pretty on the eyes. I can't help it, but that is super pretty. I don't know if I would open it to put on my eyes, but anyway. It's the ABH Loose Highlighter. Another highlighter. Okay, Peach Fizz. There it is. There it looks like. It's very pretty. Very pretty. I like it. I like it. I want to swipe it and put it all over my eyes. Again, bop, bop, go. Bop, bop, go. Okay? Just saying. All right. So there was that in this bubble wrap thing. How come I can't find bubble wrap like this? This is some good bubble wrap. Anyway, sorry. I recycle everything, so that's cool. All right, so this is the one thing I knew I was getting. This is why I said I have a couple of them. This is the one that I just got in my IPSY, I think. Or, right? IPSY? Not the Open Studio, my paid subscription. This is the Trifecta Retinol Serum. So I knew I was getting this. That's why I was like, oh, I have 3. I know I have one from BoxyCharm or Laura or somebody, and then I have one from IPSY, and then I have one from her. So here's this. So I will never run out of this. You know, just saying. I don't know if there's an expiration date. No. No. Okay. So again, I will leave the value up here. I don't know. So we're going to see. I paid, like I said, 30 plus shipping. I don't know what the shipping is. Not that heavy, so I can't imagine it being that much. Let's see what this. Oh, the Earth Harbor product. I like that. Okay, so this is the Earth Harbor Marina Bio Brightening Ampule. Okay, I don't know if this is the one that I wanted. I can't remember. Oh, that sucks. They're all blue. All right, there's a hair one, I think, and a skin one, and then a face one. This is the face one, I think. It says Spirulina and Blue Tansy. Okay, so is it, I don't want to crack the seal. No, it's not. Yeah, is it an oil? I'm going to drop a drop here. Just a drop. And then I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to close it back up, guys, right away. Oh, it's dripping. So is this an oil? Oh, it is an oil. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, it goes right in the skin. It's just a little bitty tiny scent that's not bad. And it does. It makes you very... Can you see how shiny I am there? But it's, yeah. It's, oh, it's very nice. Okay, I have one of these, but I've never tried it. Yeah. I have the Celestine or I forget. That's like a cloudy blue. But I do like Earth Harbor, so okay, I'm happy to get this. I'll leave the price here again. Way up! I told her that I can't use glue. She asked me, do you have nails? And I was like, yeah, but I can't use any kind of glue. I'm allergic to glue. So she got me the press-on ones. I don't like the color. I will never wear these. Maybe. I can't say ever, but they are press-ons. And then we have Kiss, which I already know, but they're in medium length, so I kind of like that, but the color, no. I'm a more frosted kind of girl. I haven't worn nail polish in a while. I'm letting my nails breathe, guys, because my nails have been breaking terribly. So, all right, well, there you have that. Prices above each item, okay? I'm in a weird mood, guys. I've been filming my blood off. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? How many products is that? 7. So far, 7 products. And then we do have okay, well, all right. Let me just say this. I do believe that these are worth almost what I paid for the box. And I don't like them. I don't like these patches. They don't really do anything for me. So I know someone that will enjoy these. So I'm going to send them to her. And yeah, so there you have that. It is a pack of the Wander Baggage Claim under eye patches. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is a full box. Okay, and I do know that these are pretty pricey. So that is very close to what I paid for the box. Okay, so that's not bad. So all the rest is extra. So hey guys, the random comment picker has spoken. This is the winner to the May Ice Cream Beauty Box. Now, we do have 2 more to go over and 2 more winners to call. And I will be announcing those winners in the August unboxing of my Ice Cream Beauty Box subscription. So hang tight. We have a lot of winners to announce and some more giveaways to start. Congratulations to my winner. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me. Now back to the video. And then, of course, we have this. I do not know what the... No way. Oh, my God. Okay, you know what? Wow, I got to cancel this order. So, okay, I got to cancel the lickety split. I bought one of these. I bought one. Listen, you don't even know what I went through. There's no box, okay? Which I don't understand. What is with the boxes? No, she said everything was brand new. So I do remember her saying that. She said everything's brand new. She didn't say about boxes, though, and I didn't ask. I didn't think I had to. Oh, that mirror is killer. So, okay, we all know what this looks like. I do not want to touch it because I know exactly where this is going in the goodie pile. Right there, you have it. Okay. So this is 65 bucks. Yes, it is. I do know that. I mean, you can buy it on Mercari for like, the lowest I've seen it is like 35, 30. If it doesn't have a box, like 30. So right there is what I paid for it, got this, and then everything else is gravy. Or this and vice versa. Okay, I'm not mad at this. I paid $35 for the palette, sorry, and I paid $6 for shipping. So I paid $41 because I needed one of these palettes for something. And yeah, so there you have it. So now I have to cancel that order very quickly. I just placed it. Before I started filming this morning when I woke up, I have to hurry up and cancel it. It's the weekend, so that won't count. Okay, so yeah. So there you have that. I'm happy, except it has no box. I have a box, though. So I can put this in the box. That's okay. We're good. We are good. I'm happy. I'm not happy that it's no box, but I'm happy I can fix the problem. So we have the Wander Beauty 6 eye patches, a full box. We have a full bottle of the Derm Trifecta, Derma Select, whatever. Yeah, Derm Select Trifecta. 2 packs of the Kiss nails, okay. We have the drugstore item, the Maybelline Liner, which I'm not mad at. I really want to mess around with this. And S Makeup Corner does a really good wing for hooded eyes, and I want to try it, but you need like a gel type one to do it with. So then we have the ABH highlighter, which I don't know how much this is, but that's a very pretty color. I don't think I'll open it just for the eyes, so I'll probably be giving this away to someone in a giveaway, you know. And then, but there's no box, so I apologize. And then we have this. Oh, and the highlighter. Yeah. All right, so that's what we have. So I'm not mad at it. Okay, so I like this. I'm not mad about this. I am interested in testing this out. Definitely won't use the nails. I don't like the baggage claims. I'm not going to open the highlighter. I'm not going to open the highlighter. So, I mean, for 30 bucks I got the palette, which I just paid more than that. So I'm not mad. I'm okay. All right, well, there you have it, guys. Tell me what you think down below. If you got this for $30, would you be upset? Would you be happy, etc.? Let me know all the details down below. You know I love to read each and every comment. I am trying to catch up. So like I say in every video, guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me. I do appreciate it. If you are going through something, please talk about it, you know, with a counselor, a loved one, a friend, a stranger. Heck, hit me up. I will always make time for you. And if you are asked by someone, hey, you got a minute? Please say yes, because you can absolutely help them just by letting them vent, especially if you notice that they're, you know, been lately down in the dumps or whatever. Or perhaps strike up a conversation with them to get them to open up. That may very well work, and you could absolutely help someone. And like I always say in this crazy mixed up world, it's getting really crazy. I didn't think I could say it's getting even crazier, but it is. To all my loved ones all across the world, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.